I know that it's just like one experience that you had, like, but I'm sure you have some like useful tips to share with beginners of like how you approach the first contents and contests and how you managed to find this unique finding.
So I have a few things to say. So the first one is don't be scared. Like it's normal for everyone to feel a bit like a bit of anxiety when doing stuff like that because you like have a fear of being judged and fear that you may like fail miserably. At least that's what I felt. But like it gets better over time. You just need to get through that. The second thing is do practice audits. I believe it's a very good way of learning. Essentially, pick something easier out and like start finding vulnerabilities there, so you actually can like get over that feeling of like not like living up to what you thought you can do, and to actually like boost your ego in a sense, because like a lot of stuff in this sphere are really related to like how you feel actually. Your mind is much more powerful than you think. Like if you think there is a vulnerability there, you are most certainly going to find it, and if you don't, you are not, essentially. So yeah, this is the second one, and the third one is like just discipline. You need to have a time every day just in which you just like working and improving. That's it. Like it's very simple but very hard to execute on.
You're saying that the tip would be just believe in yourself and don't be afraid to jump into contests. It's also about of mindset. If you see if you imagine that you can find vulnerability and you actually believe in it, you will eventually do it.
Actually, yes, that's it. Like this is the short form of the framework that you need to follow.